many of you request me to do a video where I keep my fabric. So here I show you. This is I have it in the drawer. On each drawer I have a different fabric. Is the one already cut and the one is not cut, and then the Germany fabric or kind Christmas and thing like that in the clear bin drawer. So that way that I can see what I have in the drawer because the clear container. So and that is that. I have just compare with you here. I don't think I have a lot, but good enough for me to do, because every time I go, like recently I went to Walmart and I saw the clearance fabric for $1 to $2. As you see now, I have bandanas and so much stuff. Every time I go and I see something, I just grab them. I just don't know what to do with it, but I cannot walk away. And this is all the thing that I use for the bowl cozy, plate mask, and table topper, interface, and blah blah blah. So I put in different drawers. So every time I pull out, I know what it is in there. And these are the fabric is already cut, and so that is basically how I keep my fabric, everyone. A lot of people asking me to do this video, and I finally did it. And so all that little fabric I keep in that drawer. So get the this is the largest size of the drawer, and the clear one. Okay, and it's all that little tiny fabric is not enough for me to do anything, but in the future I'm going to get rid of this whole bin. So stay tuned. I just have this video today, and make sure you turn the bell notification on because I uploaded the video on a unexpected day. So all right, everyone, I love you. Stay safe, take care, and I hope you see what you want to see.